Hey everybody, just wanted to do another quick video. Today we've got a HO scale. This is a Rivarossi Illinois Central diesel engine. It's marked 4035. Also with this engine is going to come as a dummy engine as well. And then two cars. Both these cars, though, are missing the trucks. This is the Lake Michigan. Some scratches on the top, but Lake Michigan car. And then this is a Fulton car, missing the trucks and the couplers. But those three will be included with this engine. The engine does run. Light works good. Just has a broken rear coupler. As you can see here, I just took it off, so it didn't snag on anything. But I'll go ahead and run the engine back and forth so you can see it work. But appreciate you watching. Thanks.